Have you ever wondered how people learn best? Learning methods should adapt to how individuals genuinely understand and engage with information. This tutorial explores constructivism, an impactful learning theory. The goal is to equip you with an understanding of constructivism's principles and applications. Let's break this down into manageable steps. First, understand the historical roots of constructivism. Jean Piaget focused on cognitive development in children. He believed children actively construct their understanding through experiences. Lev Vygotsky emphasized social learning. He introduced the zone of proximal development, illustrating how social interactions enhance learning. Next, explore the key principles of constructivism. First, active learning is crucial. Students need to engage with the material actively. Second, knowledge construction is essential. Learning is based on personal experiences and prior knowledge. Third, social interaction plays a vital role. Collaborative discussions deepen understanding. Fourth, contextual learning helps relate new information to existing knowledge. Lastly, scaffolding supports learners as they develop skills. Now, examine how constructivism applies in modern education. Inquiry-based learning encourages students to ask questions and investigate. Project-based learning allows for real-world problem-solving. Collaborative learning fosters teamwork and shared insights among students. Reflective practice enables learners to make connections and deepen their understanding. Differentiated instruction personalizes learning to fit diverse backgrounds. However, implementing constructivism in adult education poses unique challenges. Time constraints can make comprehensive activities difficult. Traditional assessments may not reflect true understanding. Meeting individual needs requires tailored approaches. Limited resources can hinder effective implementation. Teachers must find a balance between guidance and autonomy. Flexibility must be paired with enough structure to support learners. Moreover, prior knowledge can complicate learning. Adults may resist new concepts due to misconceptions. Lastly, some learners prefer certainty, which can clash with constructivist exploration. Despite criticisms, constructivism provides valuable insights into learning. Its emphasis on active participation, collaboration, and contextual understanding cultivates a rich educational experience. Key learnings include the importance of active engagement, social interactions, and reflecting on experiences. Now take these principles into your own learning settings. Encourage exploration, collaboration, and critical thinking. By applying constructivist principles, you can foster a deeper understanding of knowledge. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others understand constructivism in education.